In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Bookings. This powerful tool helps streamline your scheduling process, whether you're managing client appointments or coordinating job interviews. Let's dive in and get you up and running. To start, log into your Zoho account and navigate to Zoho Bookings. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your central hub, where you'll have access to all the features needed to set things up seamlessly. Now, the first thing we'll tackle is setting up your appointments. Head over to the Appointments tab. This is where you can configure different types of appointments you offer and set your overall schedule. Click on Plus New Appointment, and you'll be prompted to create a new appointment slot. Here, you'll select the type of appointment, determine its duration, and note down any specific details you might have, such as considering time zones or including buffer periods between appointments. Once your appointments are all set, these become the available time slots that clients can view and book directly with you. Next up, let's talk about setting up interviews. If you're using Zoho Bookings for recruitment, the Interviews tab is your go-to spot. Similar to the process for appointments, click on Plus New Interview. At this point, you can define the duration and add any specific instructions or custom fields needed for the interviewers or candidates. Here, it's also possible to assign certain interviewers to particular slots or interview types, allowing you to tailor the interview process exactly to your needs. Moving along, let's discuss managing recruiters, an essential feature if you're using this tool for recruitment purposes. By clicking on the Recruiters tab, you gain the capability to assign specific recruiters to interviews or certain appointment types. This step is about optimizing your process, allowing a smooth and streamlined flow in whom you designate for different roles. Now, let's jump into the customization of your booking pages. This can be found in the Booking Pages section. What you're doing here is building a personalized page that clients or candidates use to schedule with you. You can add the services or interviews you've created, select your available time slots, and include important details, such as payment information or additional instructions. Once your booking page is crafted, you'll want to share the link with your clients or candidates, granting them easy access to book those appointments or interviews. Finally, let's wrap things up with a few helpful tips. Once you've completed the setup, it's wise to test your booking page. This ensures the entire scheduling process, from appointments to interviews, runs smoothly. Additionally, syncing your Zoho Bookings with Google Calendar or Zoho Calendar can be a game changer, as it keeps all your appointments consolidated in one place for easy tracking. And that wraps up our tutorial on setting up Zoho Bookings. By following these steps, you'll efficiently organize and manage your appointments or interviews with ease.